was not 100% sure of, but I think that this is Aurora Sleeping Beauty. And they did duplicate some of these, which I'm surprised because I think there's a ton of Disney princesses that they would not have to duplicate them, but I think there's 2 Auroras and there's 2 Jasmines and 2 Cinderellas. So I'm not sure why, but I think that's what they did in this set. And we have sparkly purple. And this one is Rapunzel from Tangled. Put that one in there. And then let's see what we want to do, because there's a lot of blue and purple left and I want to kind of divide this up a little bit. So I think that I might put maybe this one and this one in, maybe, and then leave the rest for the other side. I'm trying to decide. Maybe I'll do this one and this one. Maybe that's what I'll do. Okay, so we have a sparkly, I don't know if you want to call that purple or blue, but this is the other one that I think is Cinderella. And then we'll do this one kind of sky blue color. And this is the one from Frozen. I think her name is Anna from Frozen. Okay, so that is one side done. Spin this around. And then I think that will break it up so that there's a purpley color and a pink in the back. And these 4 will be in the front. Okay, so we'll start with a pink. And that's really light, sparkly pink. And this one, I believe, is Ariel, the Little Mermaid. And then we'll do yellow, solid yellow. I guess there is a little bit of sparkle in this one, not a whole lot though. And this one is Snow White. And then we'll do, I guess this purple one would be good. Not too much sparkle in that one. It's a deep purple color. And that one is Princess Jasmine again. And then we'll do the green. Very sparkly green. Light green. And this one is Tiana from Princess and the Frog. So very fitting, being that it's a frog and it's green. smell to me at all. I don't smell anything. And we have, oh, Lucky Charms again. It's another one. So we already smelled that one. Cocoa Puffs. Something tells me it's going to smell like the Count Chocula and the Cookie Crisp. And it does. So we have 3 chocolate smelling ones. And then we have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This actually smells pretty good. It kind of has that cinnamon spicy smell. That one, I like that one. It smells good. Okay, so we have an extra one. Maybe we'll put this extra one maybe in with some of the nail polish. This side had 5. This side only has 6 openings. Or, I'm sorry, 4 openings. 4 and 5. So we'll just hide this one off in the corner. Okay, and then we also have a few other items. We have some barrettes, hearts, sideways hearts, and up and down hearts, purple and pink. Put this in one of these sections, and then we're going to, let me see, so these little toe separators were in with the nail polish. So let me see.